Beach day. Loading up, heading to the beach. Hello, Mr. Edwin. Are you having fun? It's awful beautiful. Look at this.
Well, where's Theo?
Wow, it's so pretty. I'm sitting under the shade.
No one don't want to get no.
There's Logan, Hunter, Miss Caroline and Cheyenne, Edwin, my honey. And there's some more out in the water. Tori, Theo, Nolan. Here I am. What are you doing?
Making sandcastles?
You making sandcastles?
Yeah.
There's baby brother eating sand.
What?
He was eating sand. So pretty. Hey guys, so my son and daughter-in-law made dinner tonight, and we have
Noodles.
fettuccine buttered noodles. They made Alfredo. We got the Parmesan. We got the breaded chicken. We have rolls. I mean, not rolls, cheesy bread, which to everybody's defense, we're not used to the oven here. It's a little crazy. But look at that. They are just so sweet. All right, guys, we are bon appetit tonight.